Don't scroll. Let her show you how to unlock the power of Nano Banana. Now, Google AI's latest viral image editing tool.
Google just launched Nano Banana, and it's blowing everyone's mind. Here's how you can use it.
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop, step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
I generated this image from Nano Banana, and I also asked it to change the outfit to a student outfit. Just look at it very well. Is this not the same? This is exactly the same girl, nothing changed apart from the outfit, because I asked it to give it a blue uniform and wearing a handbag, and it did exactly the same thing. I also go ahead and asking it to put the girl in her father's jeep together with her father, and look at it, everything come out perfectly. So with Nano AI, you can be able to edit your images without stress. With just a simple command, you will get whatever you are looking for. Let's look at another one. This is an image of me. This is me. This is my background. I decide to ask Nano to apply a little makeup on my face and change my background, and automatically I got this. Is this not beautiful? Nano is 100% free. Check out the link in my description box. You will get the link there. Now, how do you use Nano? Here is Nano interface. On this place here is where you put in your prompts, a simple sentence inside this place. And over here, this plus sign here is where you add in your reference image that you want a consistent character. Now, over here is the Nano image, meaning that we are generating from Nano. You can as well generate videos. Don't worry, I'll show you the video I generated using this Nano. And as well, this place is where you touch to send your prompt. I also generated this cute boy here, and I wanted to change him to a superhero. So they now gave me this, but looking at it, I'm not seeing the full body. So I now decide to change my prompt, asking them to give me the full body of the child. And this is it. Isn't this lovely? And after doing this, I still went ahead and changed her background from Nigerian background to London background. And this is what I was given. This is so lovely. You can notice that I added action on the background this time. This is so lovely. And not just editing photos alone, Nano Banana can also generate good quality videos for you, just like this one.
That's Nano Banana, that free, fast, and powerful. Would you try it? Subscribe and comment below.
Nano Banana is a Google product from Gemini AI, which is the latest editing tool from Gemini. And you will agree with me that it has ultra-realistic image editor that runs in seconds. So let me know what you think in the comment section. If you'll be trying it out, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it, don't forget to drop your comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.